Nigerians living in Iran and Israel are calling for help as the two countries continue to exchange deadly missile attacks. The war began last week when Israel attacked part of Iran. In response, Iran fired over 100 missiles into Israel cities, including Tel Aviv, where many Nigerians live and where the Nigerian embassy is located. Many Nigerians living in Tel Aviv and Jerusalem have been hiding in underground shelters to stay safe. A man named Ekene Abaka told reporters on Facebook that he was in a bomb shelter and couldn't answer calls. Another Nigerian, a software engineer in Jerusalem, said, "We are on the run. Missiles are falling everywhere. The Nigerian embassy is closed and not helping us." A video shared by popular Facebook page, Travis Vlog, showed Nigerians running in panic as sirens warned of incoming missiles. In the video, people were seen trying to find open shelters, but some were locked. "Why did they lock this place?" one person shouted.
Everybody's running her tasket now. I don't forget the water safe. I don't carry my water. I forgot to carry the water.
Since the fight started, over 260 people, including women and children, have died. Some top Iranian generals were also killed. Other countries such as United States, China, and Germany have already evacuated their citizens. China has taken more than 1,600 people, but Nigeria has not evacuated anyone yet. The Nigerian government said it is working to evacuate 1,000 Nigerians in Israel and Iran. Officials are trying to get permission from Armenia, a nearby country, to move people across the border from Iran before flying them back to Nigeria. However, the government is advising Nigerians to stay safe, avoid protests, and keep their phone close for evacuation update. We'll continue to supply you more trending news updates and exclusive videos. Keep watching Naija News TV.